Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Reels with photos and videos. First, open your preferred social media app and navigate to the Reel creation section. You'll typically find this by swiping right or tapping a plus icon. Next, select the photos and video clips you wish to include from your device's gallery. You can choose a mix of both, ensuring they tell a cohesive story or convey a specific message. This initial selection is crucial for setting the foundation of your engaging reel. When selecting your media, prioritize high-quality visuals that are well-lit and clear. Think about the narrative you want to convey. A strong theme makes your reel more impactful. Aim for a good balance between static photos and dynamic video clips. For videos, keep individual segments brief, ideally between 1 and 3 seconds, to maintain viewer interest. This approach helps create a fast-paced, engaging experience that captures attention quickly and effectively. Now, let's dive into editing. Arrange your chosen photos and videos in an order that flows naturally and tells your story. Next, add trending audio or music to enhance the mood and appeal. This is a key element for discoverability. Don't forget to incorporate text overlays, stickers, or GIF to add context and personality. Experiment with various transitions and effects to make your reel visually dynamic. Remember, reels can be up to 90 seconds long, giving you ample creative space. Finally, it's time to polish and share your creation. Before publishing, preview your reel multiple times to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect, checking for any awkward cuts or timing issues. Craft an engaging caption that encourages interaction and include relevant hashtags to broaden your reach. Select a compelling cover photo that accurately represents your reel's content and entices viewers to click. Once satisfied, share your masterpiece with your audience and watch the engagement grow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.